Mason. Has anybody seen Mason? Where's Mason? There he is. Hello, boys and girls. What's your name?
Mason.
Toy time with Mason. Slide down, buddy. What are you doing? All right. How are we doing today?
Good.
What are we doing?
Smashing this bag.
Another smash. Well, we got Pokemon something.
Hey, look.
What is that? Iron Man Hot Wheel. Okay, kids, so today we will be unboxing. What's the Pikachu one? What is that, Pikachu?
And
A clip?
they have
Clip and go.
some more Hot Wheels. I mean Pokemon.
Yeah.
But I just got that one, right?
Is that the one you got?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, so you gonna unbox them?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what you got. All right, that was nice and easy.
Yeah. Come on, Pokeball.
Okay, so how does it work?
Pokeball.
Oh, no. Do you know what you're doing? Don't want to break it. I think that part goes on your belt. That part right there.
This part?
Yeah, that goes on your belt. It's a clip. And then the front, push the ball, push it in. It doesn't push in.